In my last video, maybe you saw it, I explained how an 1176 compressor works. However, I realized I used some complicated terminology. Just want to let y'all know those are just big words to describe simple concepts, so I'm going to break it down one more time for y'all. I think it'll be easy to understand. Alright, so this first knob is input. The more I turn this up, the more signal goes through the compressor, and as you see, the needle's going further to the left. This next knob is output. The more I turn this up, the higher the volume is at the end of the compressor. So as you see, louder, 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 quieter, quieter, quieter. Very cool. Next, you have attack and release. So attack is when the compressor turns on and release is when it turns off. And with the 1176, the higher the number, the faster the effect. So think about it as turning up the speed of the effect clockwise. And next you have ratio, okay? So when I said this attenuates the signal over the threshold, the signal over the threshold is just the signal that's going through that I turned up with that first knob, and attenuation is a word that means reduction, which in this case means compression. So 4 is the least and 20 is the most of that signal being compressed over the threshold, and all is actually a limiter setting, which is like a compressor, but it's even more extreme, so they give it its own name. Alright, in my previous video, if you didn't see that already, go check it out. I explained how the meter buttons work and the on-off switch, and also the revision Blackie versus Bluey. But if you have any questions about anything on this interface, go and put it in the comments, and I will do my best to answer it. Appreciate y'all tuning on in. I hope this video was helpful. If you don't follow me already, go to my profile and click follow, and I will see you in the next one.